Hello friends, good evening, welcome to my channel Jucter. Today, we are diving deep into a smartphone that's redefining the way we look at mobile technology. I present to you the OPPO Reno 14 Pro, a device that's not just a phone, but a powerful fusion of art, performance, and innovation. Let's begin with what immediately catches your eye, the design. The OPPO Reno 14 Pro flaunts an ultra-slim and sleek body, crafted with premium glass and metal. It features a mesmerizing horizon glow finish, giving it a subtle gradient that dances with the light. This phone doesn't just look stylish, it feels luxurious in your hand. And with a bezel-less AMOLED display and a punch-hole camera, it's a visual treat from edge to edge. Now let's talk about the display, a major highlight. The Reno 14 Pro boasts a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate, delivering ultra-smooth scrolling, vivid colors, and deep blacks. Whether you're streaming 4K videos, playing high-end games, or simply browsing, the experience is immersive and vibrant. With HDR10 Plus support and a peak brightness that competes with flagship devices, this display is ready for any lighting condition. Under the hood, the Reno 14 Pro is no less impressive. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity, a cutting-edge chipset designed for efficiency and performance. Paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, multitasking feels effortless. Whether you're switching apps or editing 4K videos, the Reno 14 Pro handles it all with ease. But what's power without intelligent software? Running on ColorOS 14 based on Android 14, the Reno 14 Pro offers a smooth, clean interface with smart features like AI System Booster, Smart Sidebar, and Adaptive Sleep. It's fast, fluid, and optimized for productivity and play. Now, let's move on to what many users value the most, the camera system. OPPO has always excelled in mobile photography, and the Reno 14 Pro is no exception. It features a triple rear camera setup. Xenotation Spot a 50MP Sony IMX890 primary sensor with OIS for stunning clarity. Xenotation Spot an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and Xenotation Spot a 2MP macro sensor. The main camera captures brilliant details even in low light, thanks to OPPO's Nightscape AI and 4K Ultra Night video. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera that supports AI beautification and 4K video recording, ideal for content creators, vloggers, and selfie lovers alike. Battery life is another major plus. The Reno 14 Pro houses hours battery with 80W SuperVOOC charging. You can go from 0 to 100% in just around 30 minutes. That's power and peace of mind, especially for those always on the move. Let's not forget the extras: Wi-Fi 6, NFC, and advanced cooling for gamers. In conclusion, the OPPO Reno 14 Pro is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. A statement of style, performance, and innovation. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or a tech-savvy professional, the Reno 14 Pro is crafted to exceed expectations. Thank you for joining me in exploring this next-gen marvel. If you're looking for a phone that delivers premium features without the premium price tag, the OPPO Reno 14 Pro should be at the top of your list. Stay tuned, stay techy, and until next time, thanks for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe our channel.